Hi, this is Brian with XMODS, and today I will show you what you can do if you lose sound on one of your emulators. This problem may be caused by a corrupt settings file for that emulator. This is a two-part fix. The first thing you want to do is go to your file manager, select the E drive, and navigate to your saves folder. And you need to find the folder that matches the emulator that you're having trouble with. In my case, I lost sound on all my Nintendo games, so I'm going to open the Mednafen X NES folder. And here it is. This is your settings file. Chances are, if you don't have sound, this file is corrupted. What you need to do is delete the file and then go back into the emulator and reconfigure it correctly. To delete the file, just hit the white button on the controller and choose delete. Confirm yes. And you're done with step one. Now reset the Xbox. And all we have to do now is go back into the emulator and reconfigure it. Okay, so go to configuration, change default directories, and for your ROM directory, you want to navigate to your E drive, media, NES, and ROMs. Now hit start, and then point the save game directory to E Media Saves, and hit the start button. Now set your skins directory to E Emulators NES Emu Skins. So navigate to the root of the E drive, go to Emulators, Nintendo, NES, Emu Skins. Now hit start on the controller. And that's that. You can back out of this menu. The first time you select a game, you will have to choose the directory. After that, the emulator will default to the ROM directory that you've chosen. So you're going to go to E, Media, NES, ROMs, and pick your favorite game. And there you are. You now have sound on all of your games for that emulator that you're having trouble with. Sounds like everything's back to normal. I hope this video helped anyone who ran into this issue, and thanks to everyone who bought an XMODS Virtual Arcade from me. If anyone has any questions, feel free to leave a comment or email me at xmods.stl@gmail.com.